In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. Let's get started. Navigate towards the app that you want to hide. Press and hold on it. Different options will appear. Click on the option Require Face ID. Now you will get two options. Select the Hide and Require Face ID one. Click on it. Your Face ID will be enabled. Now click on the option Hide App to confirm it. With that, the selected app will be hidden. Now you can navigate to the app library. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. There, type in the app name. It won't appear as it has been hidden. In order to unhide it, scroll down. You're gonna find this section of hidden. Click on it. Your Face ID will be enabled. Now here you're gonna find all the apps that you have hide. Navigate to the app that you wanna unhide. Press and hold on it. Click on the option Don't Require Face ID. Just with that, the app will be unhidden. Now it will be available in your home screen. You can even go to app library and search for the app, it will appear. So this way you can easily hide and unhide apps on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.